Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a exciting video. So I wanted to do something special because it's been 10 years since I started my YouTube channel. I'm not sure if I posted a haul or a card share in January of 2015, but I know it's been 10 years since my channel has been started. And I wanted to do something special this month. Today is actually my birthday, and I wanted to do something fun for my birthday month too. So what I came up with was FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. 4 weekly prize winners and 1 grand prize winner. So I thought that sounded fun. So this is what we're doing. So each week in January, I will post a video with a question. The answer can be found in a video that I posted in 2024. Email answers by the following Sunday by 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it's a pretty short window there. Winners for each drawing will be posted on the following Tuesday. Collect all the correct answers by January 26, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and you will be entered into the grand prize drawing. So initially each week, you provide an answer to the question and you can win a prize for that week. Only 1 prize per subscriber for the weekly prizes. But maybe you can't get your answer in by 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on that Sunday, but still submit your answer because anyone who answers all the correct questions will be entered into the grand prize drawing. So even if you want a weekly drawing, you can still win the grand prize drawing. So the weekly drawings will be a $25 gift card to the store of your choice, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joanne, or PayPal direct $25 deposit. This is covered for only the U.S. at this time, just US only. So let me show you the timeline so maybe you'll understand better. And I'll have all this information in the video below. So the timeline is question 1 today, answer due by January 5th at 6 p.m. Winner posted on January 7th. Question 2 will be January 8th, answer due by January 12th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winner posted on January 14th. Question 3, January 15th, due by January 19th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winner posted January 21st. Question 4, January 22nd, answer due by January 26th p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winner posted January 28th. Must be a visible subscriber to my channel. Must be 18 years of age, and you must be a subscriber to win the weekly drawings, and then only 1 subscriber per week can win. But you want to be sure to submit all the answers so you can be included in the grand prize drawing, which will be held, I think I'll do the grand prize is going to be on the 29th. Yeah. So, I know that's a lot, but once again, I thought this would be kind of fun, and it's my 10 years anniversary celebration here on YouTube, the video scavenger hunt. So, let's get to the first question. So, the first question is, it's part of my Dollar Tree sticker series number 1, video 1. How many vases did I have left on the Dollar Tree sticker sheet? Answer due by January 5th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winner posted January 7th. Once again, how many vases did I have left on the Dollar Tree sticker sheet? Once again, you want to email your answer to fphandmade@gmail.com. The comments below will be turned off. All answers must be submitted to fphandmade@gmail.com. So once again, I hope you play along and I hope you win. And I just thought this would be just kind of fun and exciting to see what questions will come up each week and how many answers I'll get. So here's the question one more time. And be sure to submit your answer by January 5th at 6 p.m. Pacific time. All the information will be below. If you have any questions, you can email me at that email address. Once again, that's fphandmade@gmail.com. Thank you, guys.